Today, we're stepping into the world of true luxury on wheels. Welcome to the Marathon Coach, a handcrafted Prevost conversion designed for people who want nothing less than perfection. From the exterior engineering to the 5-star interior, this is one of the most advanced luxury motor coaches on the road today. The Marathon Coach starts with the legendary Prevost chassis, known worldwide for its strength, durability, and tour bus level safety. The exterior design is sleek, aerodynamic, and wrapped in a custom full-body paint job that takes hundreds of hours to complete. Each coach features high-gloss premium paint, stainless steel accents, flush-mounted windows, LED maca lights, integrated storage bays, luxury baggage doors with smooth hydraulic assist. Every line, every curve, is engineered for both performance and pure visual impact. The coach rides on commercial-grade suspension, giving it a stable, confident stance on the highway. As soon as you step inside, the Marathon Coach feels like a moving penthouse suite. The main hall is designed with handcrafted cabinetry, polished stone flooring, and integrated ambient LED lighting. Key highlights: premium leather captain sofas, electric reclining seating, multi-zone climate control, flush mount smart TVs, custom ceiling lighting, solid surface countertops, noise-isolated walls for a quiet ride. This space blends comfort and technology, offering a warm, designer-inspired lounge where every detail is built to perfection. The bedroom is quiet, private, and incredibly luxurious. You'll find a king or queen premium mattress, custom cabinetry, and large wardrobe spaces. Features include backlit headboard, reading lamps, dual nightstands, built-in smart TV, climate zone just for the bedroom, underbed storage options. This room is designed to give you the comfort of a luxury hotel suite, no matter where the road takes you. The kitchen inside a Marathon Coach is designed like a compact gourmet studio. You get high-end induction cooktop, convection microwave oven, full-size residential refrigerator, deep stainless sink, soft-close cabinetry, slide-out pantry storage. Whether you're making coffee or preparing a steak dinner, this kitchen delivers the best of premium residential living while traveling anywhere. The bathroom is another highlight. Marathon Coaches feature a spacious shower, premium faucets, porcelain toilet, and stone-style vanity. Premium touches include full-height shower door, rain-style shower head, heated flooring, optional, motion sensor lighting, high-end tile and materials. This is one of the most refined bathrooms available in any motorhome. The driving experience is where the Prevost chassis truly shines. You get commercial-grade air suspension, smooth gliding ride, excellent stability, quiet interior cabin, exceptional braking system. The Marathon Coach drives like a luxury touring bus, confident, powerful, and incredibly smooth, even at highway speeds. A new Marathon Coach typically costs between Moneybag $2 million to $3 million US. Moneybag custom conversions can go above $3.5 million. This is not just a motorhome. It's a luxury lifestyle investment. If you enjoyed this full tour of the Marathon Coach, subscribe to RV World Reviews for more luxury RV tours, comparisons, and brand new 2025 to 2026 motorhome reviews.